Hello everyone, I am Dr. Roma Sarnaik, founder and consultant at Dr. Roma's Lifestyle Medicine. I will be talking about nutrition during pregnancy in this video. So, eating well during pregnancy is one of the best things that one can do during pregnancy. One needs to meet her nutrition demands because of the growing fetus inside her abdomen. Now, the aim is to get the recommended levels of nutrients from the food that we consume and also maintain our weight alongside. So, I'll be discussing some of the common questions asked by some of my pregnant female patients about nutrition during pregnancy. The first one being, how much extra calories should I be consuming during pregnancy? So the answer is, if you're carrying a single fetus inside your body, you should consume somewhere around 300 extra calories each day, which is roughly equal to a glass of milk and maybe half a sandwich. Now, if you're carrying twin babies inside your body, you should be consuming an extra 600 calories each day. In case of triplets, it should be 900 calories extra each day. Now, again, it depends from person to person, so it is really very essential to consult a nutritionist before making any changes to your diet in case you are in any doubt. The next question is, can I take more vitamin supplements to make up for deficiency? So the answer is definitely no, because our nutrient requirements are generally met by all the multivitamin supplements that we consume before and during pregnancy. But if consumed in excess amounts, it can lead to negative effects. For example, if vitamin A is consumed in excess amounts, it can lead to some birth defects in the fetus. So it is very essential to consume the recommended doses of vitamin supplements only. The next question was, what vitamins and minerals do I need during pregnancy? So you need folic acid, iron, calcium, choline, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamin D, and vitamin B, and vitamin C. And vitamin B has many different kinds of B vitamins. So yeah, now I'll talk mainly about two essential vitamins, that is folic acid and iron, which the need of which increases more during pregnancy. Now, folic acid is a B vitamin which is essential, because if not consumed in excess amounts, it might lead to some defects in the brain and spine of the fetus called as neural tube defects. And the other one being iron. Now, extra iron is needed because the volume of blood in a woman's body who is pregnant increases because of the growing fetus inside of her. So extra iron supplementation is generally recommended to a pregnant woman. Now, again, all the multivitamin supplements which are recommended by a gynecologist or any other doctor to you generally have the recommended doses of folic acid and iron and all other vitamins within them. But it is very necessary to check the levels of each vitamin in all the supplements. And I generally advise everyone to not start any supplements on their own. Please always do consult a doctor before starting supplements, vitamin supplements, especially when you're pregnant. And that's it. And last but not the least, always remember that always aim to get all the nutrient requirements that you need through your normal routine diet and food, and not rely on just the supplements. And pregnancy is one of the exceptions to this because of the increased demand of the body. And that was some brief information on nutrition during pregnancy. Feel free to contact us to get more advice for the same, and do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more updates. And thank you. Bye.